math, we're going to talk about the steps in the long division process. Before we do that, we're going to talk about what division is and review that. I have my whole brain teacher for today, and that will be Dane. Dane, come up. Read the slide for us, please. This is one of our Math Power Pick slides. Ask the class the question and help them with the answer.
Class, city, class.
Yes, city, yes.
What is division?
Division is separating a group into equal-sized parts.
That's correct. And I'm going to actually have Dane do that again for you. So Dane, this time could you turn around and face the class and call for hands and eyes so you're sure you have everybody 100%.
Hands and eyes.
Hands and eyes.
What is division?
Division is separating group into equal-sized parts.
Good job. Go ahead and have a seat. Now that we know the division is dividing a group into equal-sized parts, for long division, there are more steps to the process than what we've been practicing. So right now I'm going to have my paddles up here. These are the 5 steps. First, we have Dad, divide. We have Mom, multiply. We have the sister, subtract. And we have the brothers, bring down. And then we have Rover, repeat or remainder, which is the end of the process. So let's look at the first 2 steps in the long division process. The first being Dad, divide, and Mom, multiply. Right now at your tables with your face partners, tell them the first 2 steps of the family long division process. The next step will be the sister, subtract, the brothers, bring down, and Rover, repeat or remainder. Now we're going to review the last 3 steps in the process with your whole table group with energy. You're going to repeat those steps until you hear class. Teach.
Okay.
The first step is division. Sister subtracts, brothers bring down, and Rover repeat or
Yes, yes.
Very good. So the 5 steps are, get ready, because now you're going to repeat all 5 steps to a partner. First step is Dad, divide, Mom, multiply, sister, subtract, the brother, bring down, and Rover, repeat or remainder. Stand up. So get some blood flowing. And let's repeat the 5 steps in the long division process. This is for a tally, so I want to hear energy, and I want to see everybody participating. Teach.
Okay.
the first step in division is Dad divide, and the second is Mom multiply, sister subtract, and brother bring down, and Rover repeat or
I think we went through the steps.
Yes, yes.
Class.
Yes.
Unfortunately, I didn't have everybody repeating the steps, and Mrs. Nelson lost her marker. So I'm going to make a tally up here on my side. So now you have 3 tallies, and I have 1. Get ready for the mighty groan. Okay, you'll have another chance to turn a tally on the next part. Now that we've learned the 5 steps of the long division process, you're going to have a chance to practice that. Please write this problem down exactly as you see it on the board. We'll just kind of give us a fresh start here. Go ahead and write this problem exactly as you see it. And work the problem out using the 5 steps. And our 5 coaches are going to walk around the room and coach you where needed. Excellent. Okay, I think that earns a tally. Very good. Duplicating that class, yes, get ready.
Oh yeah!
Nice. Okay, so you've used those 5 steps. If you didn't get all the way through the problem, that's okay, because I'm going to have somebody volunteer and come to the board to work the problem. So there's somebody out here that can walk us through the steps. Josh, come on up here and show us how to work this problem. 862 divided by 6.
6 will go into, no, first you're going to divide. 6 will go into 8 one time. 6 times 8 is 6. Now you're going to subtract 8 from 6.
Josh, did you want to say that 6 times 1 is 6?
Oh yeah, 6
That's fine,
times
keep going.
1 is 6. Now, and your answer is going to be 2. Now you're going to bring down this 6, and it's going to be a 6. And now you're going to multiply 6
We're
times,
going to divide.
you're going to divide 6 times 26.
We're going to divide 6 into 26.
Which will go in the closest 4 times. Which your answer for that would be 24. Now you're going to subtract 26 from 24. And it is 2. Now you're going to bring down your other 2. And you're going to repeat the steps. 6 will go into 22 closest 3 times. 6 times 3 is 18. Now you're going to subtract 22 minus 18. 2 minus 8 you cannot do, so you're going to borrow from the 2, and that's going to become a 1, that's going to become a 12. 12 minus 8 is 4, and then that's going to become a 0. And you are going to remainder that to be 4.
143 remainder 4. Check your papers and make sure that is the answer that you received. And you can see that when you work through the problem using your 5 steps, Dad divide, Mom multiply, Sister subtract, Brothers bring down, and Rover repeat or remainder, that you can successfully work out a long division problem. You can turn it off, Robert.